Hi, welcome to Just Martha Designs. I am Martha, and today we're going to be using the Amazing You stamp set as well as the Amazing You Thinlet dies. And Celebration is currently going on right now, and the Amazing You and the Celebrate You Thinlet dies, you can actually get those as a free gift for purchasing from Stampin' Up. And the Celebrate You Thinlet dies, you can get those for making a $100 purchase. And the Amazing You stamp set, you can get that for making a $50 purchase. So if you purchase $150, you can get those and have a nice little Amazing You, Celebrate You bundle. And if you want to order from Stampin' Up, all you have to do is just go to my website at justmarthadesigns.com and click at the top for the shop button, and that'll take you directly there. So I'm going to start with, I have already ran my little Thinlet die through some Pacific Point and created my lovely Amazing. And I have also, out of just some Whisper White, I have cut out the U. And I'm going to do something very special with that U in just a moment. And you will see what that is. So we'll have to just kind of wait, and as the card builds, you'll see that kind of come together, because the technique that I'm going to use with the U is going to create something just absolutely fabulous. So I'll set that aside for right now, and I'll set my Amazing aside. I am using the little floral. I have some Whisper White that I've already cut down to 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm just going to fold that over to create the base of my card. And I'll just kind of take a little bone folder and crease that nicely. And I'm going to stamp my floral. And it helps with these types of stamps like this if you have a nice clean block. So I have actually cleaned my block with some rubbing alcohol. And I will be using the Memento Tuxedo Black. I can pull this open. All right, here we go. So I have the Tuxedo Black and the Memento. Notice, clean block, it won't come off. Make sure that I get everything nicely inked. There we go. And I'm stamping this over to the corner of my card. I'll just kind of press down, and there I have my nice little flower. And the reason why I'm using the Memento ink is because I'm going to use an alcohol-based marker to color in my flower. And the Memento makes sure that it doesn't bleed. So it's really nice to use. All right, so I have finished coloring in my flower. And now I'm ready to start adding to this card. And I want to attach my amazing up to the top. And to do this, I'm going to use, Stampin' Up! Has a fine tip glue pen, and that's what I'm going to be using to attach this. It has a nice small thin top, and I just want to put a little bit of glue along my little saying here. And make sure that you don't include too much. This is nice to kind of put that down there. You don't really want it to run. Oops. I think the hardest part would be trying to put this back into the little hole. There we go. All right, so close that up and take my little amazing, and I'm going to just place it right here at the top. Just like so. And I'll set that aside and let it dry. And the next thing that I'm going to be working on is the U. And this is a process that will take a little bit of time, because I'm going to take some Versamark and I am going to completely coat this in silver. And so it'll take a few passes to actually accomplish this. And so the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to take my Versamark and my U, and I want to get my U all nice and wet with the Versamark so that my embossing powder will actually stick. And it really doesn't matter. Oops. I think I got a piece of dust in there. All right, so it really doesn't matter about that color, because this is going to be silver. I will be needing my lovely tweezers here in just a moment. Go ahead and pull this over here. kind of looks like chrome now, and while it's still warm, I'm going to go ahead and pour more embossing powder over the top. Let me pull this out. Add a little bit more, stick to it. And while it's still warm, right back to the embossing powder. Shake off my excess. And I'm going to stop at that because you're wanting it to look as though it is like one little piece of silver. And then to attach this to my card, right, so now that we have our U finished and it looks a lot more like chrome, I'm going to place some dimensional foam, and I have the this is the foam strips or foam adhesive strips that Stampin' Up! Sells, and you'll find the link for all of that down below. But I'm going to take some of this foam and just kind of cut it and place it on my U. I think I can cut this down a little bit more. And then just pull off the adhesive backing. That works a little better than I do. All right, so then I'll just stick this down right about so. And there you have it. Super quick, simple, easy. And finished. Thank you. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel. Remember that Sale-a-Bration is going on from through March 31st. So once March is over, so is Celebration. So make sure that you actually get an opportunity to get some of the free items that are available. As I said before, the Celebrate You, the special dies are free with a $100 purchase. And the stamp set, the Amazing You stamp set that coordinates, is free with a $50 purchase. It's a great time to get great items, as well as even joining. If you are thinking about selling Stampin' Up! Products, now is the time to do it. You get even more during Celebration when you do so. And as always, hope you enjoy this. Give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, because the notification bell lets you know whenever I upload new content. So have a great day and a great weekend.